So yesterday we have discussed about how to store the employee data in table, I mean MySQL, and how to store that employee image in MongoDB GridFS. And similarly, how to store the employee data in MongoDB collection and how to store that employee image in MongoDB GridFS. We have seen that. Okay, so real time we will store the details, employee details or user details in table, and any documents and images or files related to that particular user that we will store in GridFS. Okay, so here after storing that data in tables or collections in GridFS, how to fetch that? Okay, so now today I am going to discuss about fetching the data from table, and based on that data we will go to the GridFS. For example, here employee details are stored in MySQL table, employee number, employee name, salary and image. And image, raw image is stored in MongoDB GridFS. Okay, today we will see this is the title, getting employee data from MySQL and image from MongoDB. Okay, so this is the today's task. Like, I will send employee number as a parameter to the API. After that, I will send that employee number to the MySQL and get the image name from MySQL and send that image name to the MongoDB GridFS and get that image and display the image. Okay, so this is the today's task. So here image name. Okay, so we will send employee number to the API. For that employee number, we will get the image name which is stored in MySQL and send that image name to the GridFS and get the image and display that image. This is our today's topic. Okay, so for this, what we need? We need to write the get procedure for returning the employee details. From that, we will pick the image name and pass that image name to the MongoDB query. Okay. First of all, go to the MySQL and create one store procedure. Here, this is the table name, EMP grid. Okay, yesterday we have seen one example for inserting these employee details. So these are the details which we have inserted on yesterday. Get underscore EMP grid. And here parameter is EMP number, that is integer, and write the select query EMP grid where EMP number equal to P underscore EMP number, and you can write this condition if you pass EMP number as a null, then it needs to be considered all the records. Okay, that means if you pass null as a parameter, then you will get all the records available in EMP grid table. Okay, so store procedure completed, and we will write one API router dot post and API name get EMP data image MySQL and emp number as a parameter. So here I am taking get method for this. Request response and write the try catch. res.send new error response of 400 e.message. Next, in this try, first of all, get the employee number from request.params. So request.params.emp number. Okay, and let params. This is the variable, and in this variable you can give emp number and let call sp equal to at the rate. So what will be the parameter? You take this parameter and call. So what will be the store procedure name? Right here, and after that dbpool dot query of call sp params and now if any error comes, it will go to the error block. Else if result dot length greater than params dot length, then only we come to know. So there is something response coming from DB. Otherwise here no response. Okay, and here take this one variable result of params dot length. If result dot length greater than 0, that means something you are getting the response from DB. You can give the message no data available. And here I am taking image name into one variable response of 0 dot. So image name here emp grid. So image name. Okay, this is the key name. Here I am taking image name from this response and move to image name variable. Okay, so after that I have image name, so I want to pass this image name to the gridfs. For MySQL we have used grid uploads.files. Okay, so yesterday you can observe this. For inserting the emp data and image we have used grid storage. That means grid uploads.files collection. Okay, so in this If you pass this image name to the file name, then I can display the image. So grid so what will be the where is DB connection? Yeah, grid bucket. Okay, for grid uploads, bucket name is grid uploads and variable name is grid bucket. Okay, I am taking that grid bucket dot find here file name, image name, to array. So it is denoting error. Here we have discussed about how to display the image from gridfs. Okay, same type of code I am writing again. Okay, to array of error result. So if any error comes, I am displaying console.log new error response of 400 error dot message. Okay, if there is no error, then if result or result dot length, if result is undefined or length is equal to 0, then you can write error response of 201 and 5 image name exist in MySQL and but image name does not exist in MongoDB gridfs. This type of message I am giving. Else grid bucket dot open download stream by name. You can pass image name and pipe of res. We will check. Grid bucket DB connection grid bucket. Actually, automatically it has to taken, but it is not taking. So now error is gone. Once the mouse is over here, then automatically some auto fix will come. So if you click on that, this grid bucket will be imported automatically. So it is not happening. Take this method name. Here MySQL controller. Okay. After that, in MySQL, what are the employee numbers are there? 1 and 2. If I give 1, then what will happen? It will take image name.jpg and it will give that image name to gridfs.files collection. Okay. I am taking 1. See, image is displayed. Okay. And image is displayed. Now, if I take, so another image is displayed. If I take 3, then see, some error is coming. If I give 3, so why means that employee number does not exist here. Okay. See, response of 0. So here employee number does not exist here. So if I take, see, I am going to change the image name, then what will happen? This type of message has to display. Image name exists in MySQL and image name does not exist in MongoDB GridFS. Okay, this type of message will come when if I change the image name here, which does not exist in GridFS collection. Okay, we will check. You click on this primary key, then we can able to update here. Here I am going to change the image name. Which does not exist in this collection, image 3. Here I am passing 1. See, image name exists in MySQL, but that image name does not exist in MongoDB GridFS. Okay. Here, if I pass employee number 3, then here I am not getting any response. Result of 0. Console.log of response. So empty array. Actually, this control has to go to this else block. So at this time, we have to return no data available, but it is not happening. Res dot length greater than 0, result dot length greater than 0. Sorry, here we need to write response dot length, not result dot length. Okay, now you can observe this. So if I pass 1, so for one employee number 1, see here, image 3 is there for employee number 1, which is not available in gridfs, grid uploads.files. Okay, so at this time, we will get this name, this type of message. Image name exists in MySQL, but image does not exist in MongoDB gridfs. Okay, if I give 2, for observe this, for employee number 2, image name is image2, that also exists in image2.jpg. So at this time, image will be displayed like this. Okay, if I give 3, which is not available in employee table, then no data available message will come. Okay, or else if you want to give user defined message like employee number body dot, not body, here emp number does not exist. Okay, so you can give like this, and check here. See, employee number 3 does not exist. Okay, so this is the way to check. Okay, first case is image number is, sorry, employee number is there and image is also available in gridfs, successful state. Second one is employee number is there but image is not available, that is second state. Third state is employee number is not available in database. At that time, what type of message we have to give? Okay, these are the 3 states.